Welcome newslivevideos.com and YouTube channel. It has been 7 months that Noor Jahan, along with many others, relocated to Bhashan Kar from the Balukhali Rohingya camp in Cox's Bazar. The only problem was that she had earned a living with her sewing machine back in Balukhali camp. Here she had no source of income. But on Friday she was elated to receive a sewing machine from the government. Qurbani Eid is up ahead, and she will be celebrating it away from a lot of familiar faces. When asked about this, Noor Jahan said that the government had provided them with over 200 cows to celebrate Eid on Bhashan Char. So it is going to be a happy occasion. The cattle were brought to Bhashan Kar on Friday by trawler. The over 200 cows for the Rohingyas to celebrate were brought from Bogra via Hatia. Many carried portraits of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to express their gratitude to her. Director of Bhashan Kar's Ashran 3 project, Commodore M. Rashed Sattar told Prothom Alo, the Ministry for Disaster Management and Relief along with the NGO Affairs Bureau, with assistance from local and foreign organizations, arranged for over 200 cows to be brought and sacrificed for Eid for the Rohingyas. On Friday, 135 cows came from the NGO Islamic Relief. The beef will be distributed among all the families on Eid day. Islamic Relief Bangladesh's senior project manager Zafar Alam was standing in front of the trawler, supervising the unloading of the cattle. He said Islamic Relief had brought 135 cows from Bogra for the Rohingyas on Bhashan Char. The beef from each cow would be distributed among 35 families so that they would get around 2 kilograms of meat each. Islamic Relief is also providing 375 cows for Eid to the Rohingya camps in Cox's Bazar. It will also distribute beef of 150 cows among the locals of the host community living near around the camps. When the cows arrived at Bhashan Kar on Friday, the animals were kept near at the grounds near the VIP building there. The Rohingyas took out a rally, rejoicing that the Eid celebrations would be complete with the sacrificial animals. They were also happy that they had been given materials for their livelihood. They garlanded the animals and carried balloons as they marched in the procession. Many carried portraits of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina to express their gratitude to her. Last December, the relocation of 1 lakh Rohingyas to Bhashan Kar began to lessen the pressure on the camps in Cox's Bazar. So far, 18,521 Rohingyas have been brought in 8 phases to this island of Noakhali district. The government plans to bring the remaining 80,000 or so to Bhashan Kar from September this year. Thanks for watching.